We've covered tokens and embeddings. Now let's get into one of the most important ideas in modern AI: self-attention and what query, key, and value actually mean. Here's the challenge. Take the sentence. The animal didn't cross the street because it was too tired. What does it refer to? A model needs to look at the other words in the sentence to figure that out. That's exactly what attention solves. Here's how it works. Every single word creates three separate vectors. The query, basically asking, what am I looking for? The key, answering, what do I contain? And the value, which holds, what information do I actually offer? Now the word it sends out its query and compares it against the key of every other word, using something called a dot product. This gives a score for each pair. It and animal get a high score. They're related. It and cross get a low score. Not very related. These scores become weights. So when building the new representation for it, the model takes a weighted sum of everyone's value vectors, mostly pulling from animal, a little from cross, barely anything from the or didn't. That's literally the word it absorbing meaning from context. And that's the core idea behind self-attention. Every word looks at every other word and decides what actually matters. This is the engine that makes transformers understand context so well. We just covered self-attention and QKV. Now let's take it one step further. Multi-head attention. Why does one attention head simply not cut it? Here's the problem. A single attention head learns one type of relationship at a time. Take, the cat sat on the mat. One head might focus on which words are grammatically related, but completely miss semantic meaning or positional patterns. One lens isn't enough for a complex sentence. The solution is to run multiple attention heads at the same time, in parallel. Each head gets the same input, but learns its own independent set of Q, K, V weights. So head 1 might specialize in grammar, head 2 in meaning, head 3 in position, head 4 in references like pronouns. They all work simultaneously. Look at this diagram. The same input flows into all 4 heads at once. Each head produces its own attention output from its own unique perspective. Then, all 4 outputs get concatenated and pass through a linear layers to combine them into one single rich representation. And that's multi-head attention. Instead of one viewpoint, the model gets many at once. More heads, more perspectives, richer understanding. This is what makes the transformer so powerful at capturing complex language patterns. See you next time.